Oh, it's gonna, yeah, this weekend. I might do it this next weekend. So I have 4 days.
This was the owl, I'm pretty sure you're talking about. And then it said, stay in a straight line, we don't have to worry about turns.
Don't just come around. I'm just like, I just don't want to deal with highways. Oh, this is what he's talking about, I think. Taft Road. Oh, the Taft Highway. That's what he was talking about. Well, shit. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy. I don't know what I'm going to name the channel yet. Probably like Revs F30. Or probably just Revs, just normal name, but yeah, so we're gonna make a video, finally, again, but this time it's gonna be different content. It's gonna be BMW content. So, don't know how this shit's gonna go. Don't know how videos are gonna be. I'm gonna try to do once a week type videos, just cause I don't have the money to buy parts, a lot of parts, and then videos all the time, so that's what we're gonna try to do. I don't know if it's gonna work, but you guys will find out. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Revs F30, and today we're gonna make a video on replacing the mirror caps on the F30 to the carbon fiber style mirror caps. All right, so I had these on my last F30, and they look amazing. It's these bad boys right here. As you can tell, they're kind of dirty. I've had them on my old car. They got a little dirty. It's fine. Clean them off. It's kind of a downside living in the Central Valley of California. You get everything gets dirty quick. So yeah, got both here. We're gonna do both of them today, and then we're also gonna be adding the blacked out sequential lights for the mirrors as well. They're also dirty, and they're also on my last F30. So we'll clean those up before we put them on, and so the only tool you're probably going to need is a T10 and some kind of like a prying tool. Grab mine, like this right here. I think this came with the mirror caps from Kai's Motorsports. That's all you're going to need, and then that's pretty much it. So we're going to get to that. I'm going to clean them up real quick, and then we'll go through the process of putting them on. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is get your mirrors and get to the control and just push them or set them all the way up as high as they can go, and make sure you do that for both before you even start, because you don't want to be like me. And on my last F30 I didn't do that. I just totally forgot the step, and I cracked the mirror case trying to get it off. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna help you take them off easier when we're trying to pry off the glass. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next step. So, okay, so what we're gonna do is get a towel if you like to, and just put it over, and then we're gonna kind of spread your hand on it so it I guess on the surface level of it. Then you're gonna get under it and just try to pry it out like that. And then at this point it should be easier. Just take off the mounts, I believe. I'm just afraid to break the glass again. Just work it out. There you go. So next we have these T10s here. Oh, I forgot to grab them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pretty sure you need to take all of them out, so we'll do that. And then there's a 6th one on the other side. So I got my tool, and yeah, we'll take them all out. Now our next step is what we're going to do is, so there are clips here, up here, and then here. All you gotta do is get it and kind of just pinch it, and then kind of push it, and then you gotta do for all 3, and then you'll be able to get the mirror cap off easier. So what I like to do is grab it and kind of just hold on to it and try to do the other 2. And just kind of hold it so I can take it out of place. And then you just pull out. We probably could have waited to take the screws off actually, but it's okay. And then kind of just, at this point, just take it off. Off, as you can see. Just toss it over there. And so the last screw you're gonna need for the lights, this one right here. Take the screw off right here. Next up is to just pop. You can just slide this bottom piece right here. This entire bottom piece, you can just kind of slide it off. That, and then these lights do come off. Oh, well, that's one way to do it, I guess. Just pull it off, and then you have this sensor right here. Not sensor, but the lights. And then you just take it off. Okay, so for this one, you do the same thing. Throw the back on, and then kind of tuck it in here. And then we'll just kind of put it in place, and then it should kind of snap in place. There we go. They just snap back on. It'll look like this here. Pretty decent fitment. I'm using my GoPro, so it's kind of, yeah, it's not the best. But that's what we're gonna do. So boom, that's on. Put that screw back in. Now for the mirror cap, pretty easy. It's a direct fit. So, you know, the little, I guess I don't know what they're called, but the parts that go in right here, up here, and up here. Just yeah, you just gotta line those up, and then they should just snap right in. Then now you just throw in all the screws again. Just remember which ones you put in, where, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, those are in. Now you can just go ahead and put the mirror back on, and then we'll put it back in an upwards position. So alright, that's pretty much it. Just take a quick look at them. And now I haven't put the other ones on yet, so we're gonna oh, there we go. Let's see a difference. Ooh, you might not be able to see a difference. Stock ones you can barely see. Also, it's super foggy, so that might be a factor either. So that's the differences right here. It's a little part that makes kind of a nice little look to it. So okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put the second ones on now, and then yeah, we'll just look at the finished product. All right, catch you guys in a bit. So we got them on, but I fucked up again, and we broke the fucking mirror. We had to order a replacement. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do with the mirror caps. Just don't be like me. I honestly don't know how I broke the second one. I literally did the same thing as the driver's side, and it just broke, I guess. I honestly don't know. But anyways, you guys are new, make sure you leave a like and sub. Well, of course you guys are all gonna be new. Make sure you leave a like and sub, and then just comment something. I don't know. So yes, we'll just see where the next video is, and then we'll go from there. Alright, peace.